Thermal pastes for CPUs are essential to efficiently transfer heat from the processor to the cooler, preventing overheating. My today's video is about top 5 best thermal pastes for CPU that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Arctic Thermal Paste, the Arctic MX6 Thermal Paste sets a new standard in CPU and GPU cooling with up to 20 better performance compared to its predecessor, thanks to its advanced composition and lower thermal resistance. Backed by over 20 years of expertise in the PC cooling industry, Arctic ensures proven quality, balancing superior heat transfer with versatile application and an easy-to-use consistency. Its non-conductive and non-capacitive formula eliminates any risk of electrical short circuits or discharges during application, making it safe for both beginners and professionals. MX's optimized viscosity allows it to excel in a wide range of scenarios, from standard CPU cooling to direct die applications on GPUs and console processors, ensuring maximum thermal efficiency across devices. Additionally, Arctic's authenticity check guarantees that every unit is 100% original, providing users with peace of mind. Combining reliability, safety, and high performance, the MX6 is an essential upgrade for anyone serious about maintaining optimal hardware temperatures and longevity. Now our second product is Corsair Thermal Paste. The XTM50 Enthusiast CPU Thermal Compound is a premium cooling solution engineered for maximum performance and reliability. Formulated with high-quality zinc oxide, it provides superior thermal conductivity, effectively lowering CPU and GPU temperatures compared to standard pastes. Its ultra-low thermal impedance ensures improved cooling efficiency, making it ideal for gamers, overclockers, and content creators who demand consistent system performance under heavy workloads. Installation is straightforward with the included application stencil and spreader, allowing precise and even coverage without guesswork. The XTM50's low viscosity formula penetrates microscopic surface imperfections, filling gaps for optimal heat transfer and peak thermal efficiency. Built for longevity, this high-stability liquid compound maintains its consistency for years without drying, cracking, or degradation. Non-conductive and free from volatile compounds, it guarantees safety for both users and hardware. Combining ease of use, exceptional cooling performance, and long-term reliability, the XTM50 thermal compound is an essential upgrade for anyone seeking to optimize their system's thermal management and maintain peak performance across demanding computing tasks. Our third product is Thermal Grizzly Thermal Paste. Duranaut Thermal Compound sets a high standard for long-term CPU and GPU cooling, engineered to maintain exceptional stability over extended periods without hardening or performance loss. Its advanced formula, combining aluminum microparticles with zinc oxide nanoparticles, delivers superior thermal conductivity, ensuring efficient heat transfer and optimal cooling for demanding workloads. Designed with safety in mind, Duranaut is electrically non-conductive, eliminating any risk of short circuits during application, making it safe for all electronic components. The specialized particle composition also minimizes the pump-out effect, enhancing adhesion and maintaining consistent thermal performance even under extreme operating conditions. Application is straightforward and precise, thanks to the included TG Spatula Pro, which allows users to spread a thin, uniform layer for maximum heat dissipation. Durable, efficient, and reliable, Duranaut is ideal for enthusiasts, overclockers, and professionals seeking a thermal compound that combines long-lasting stability, superior heat transfer, and safe, easy application for sustained high-performance computing. Now number 4, SYY Thermal Paste. The SYY157 Thermal Paste is a premium solution for users seeking safe, efficient, and long-lasting cooling for CPUs and GPUs. Metal-free and non-conductive, it eliminates any risk of short circuits, providing added protection for delicate electronic components. Engineered with high-quality carbon particles, SYY157 surpasses traditional liquid metal pastes by offering extremely high thermal conductivity, ensuring that heat generated by your CPU or GPU is effectively and efficiently dissipated. Its exceptional thermal performance allows systems to be pushed to their limits without compromising stability, making it ideal for gamers, overclockers, and professionals. Application is simple, even for beginners, thanks to its ideal consistency, enabling smooth, precise coverage on the processor surface. Unlike metal or silicon-based thermal adhesives, SYY157 maintains its integrity over time, with a durability of at least 5 years, eliminating the need for frequent reapplications. Combining safety, performance, and longevity, SYY157 is an essential upgrade for optimal thermal management and reliable high-performance computing. And our last choice is Meta Online LLC Thermal Paste. The USTP128-4 thermal compound is a high-performance cooling solution engineered for CPUs, GPUs, and a wide range of electronic devices. With an impressive thermal conductivity of 12.8 W/mK and 4 grams of premium USA-made materials, it ensures efficient heat transfer for optimal system performance. Its non-conductive formula makes it completely safe for all electronic components, eliminating any risk of electrical shorts during application. Ideal for laptops, desktops, graphics cards, and gaming consoles like Xbox Series X/S, Xbox One, One S, and PS4, excluding PS5, the compound offers versatile compatibility across multiple platforms. The included syringe allows precise, mess-free application, while its ideal viscosity and thixotropic index of 340 to 380 make spreading and removal effortless, reducing the risk of damage. Designed to endure high temperatures, USTP128-4 maintains long-lasting performance, ensuring consistent thermal management over time. Combining safety, efficiency, and durability, this thermal compound is a reliable choice for gamers, enthusiasts, and professionals aiming to maximize their device's cooling potential. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.